Hey guys, Bobby here. Uh, my microphone was dead on arrival for this clip, or these series of clips, so I'll be doing post commentary. Great, right? So I bought this G35 fairly recently. I've had it for about 2 months. This is my fourth car I've ever owned. Yep. Initially, or prior, I owned two Honda Accords. Then my third car, which I still have, is my Civic Si, which I love very much. And this is now my fourth car, my G35. So some of you may know this already. It's a rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual with the factory LSD, the factory Brembos. First rear-wheel drive car. Pretty cool, pretty quick, kind of very comfortable compared to my Civic. But being that it snowed yesterday or today as well, I wanted to try and slide it. I did this in a controlled environment in a very empty parking lot here with no curbs, no street lights or anything like that. Hopefully you guys enjoy while I try to slide the car and do my best to sing this Christmas song, since I wanted to not use music with royalties on it. Maybe in the future I will also do a review of my Civic as well as the G and other similar sort of videos to that. But for now, here's me sliding my Infinity. Dun, 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 dun. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Bump and up, bump, rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. And here's me playing the saxophone or whatever instrument this is very excellently. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. What's about rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Is that the whole song? Oh yeah. Nice.